Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you all how to make two different Lego fidget spinners. And the first one works really well. Here's the front side of it. But the second one doesn't spin as long. You might just not make this one, actually. I mean, this one I actually came up with myself, but this one I watched how to make it. I kind of used some of my own knowledge to how to build it. But I'll see y'all whenever we're starting to build the first one. So see y'all there. So first thing, what you're gonna need is one of these. It has like one four side and then the other four side. In the video I watched, he used a thin one, but I only had a thick one to work with. And so that's the first thing. Second one is you are going to want 4 of these. They're 4x2s, the little skinny ones. You can have big ones. He also used the big ones because I didn't have them and that matched, and I like to match those. Second thing is you're going to need, these little things. They're really small. Just look like this. You're gonna need 2 of them. I don't like to have different colors, but I couldn't find the same color, so I had to go with this. Second thing, you're gonna need one of these things. I used the it's about the same length as this. Get the one that's about the same length as that if y'all have multiple. That covered. Second thing is you're gonna need 2 of these. And I also had to use mix match colors, but these ones aren't too bad. And so there's what you're gonna need for the first one. And I'll see y'all at the build. Okay, for the first one, what you're gonna need to do is take your big piece like this, take this little thing, stick it in just like that, and as you can see, it already kind of spins when it doesn't fall off. Okay, wait, just once. Alright, that's better. Sorry about that. And then take these little thingies and put them on each side. Like so. I recommend Mason, if you're watching this, you and Bryce should make it. They're one of my close friends. And so like that, or you want them a little bit looser so it can spin. They're like this. And then you're going to want these things put on next for better kind of grip. And then all you do is just put them on each side. And you don't have to use 4 of these, you can put on whatever you want. And then there you have it. Lego fidget spinner number 1. The second one is much simpler, and I'll get to y'all in another part whenever I have all the stuff laid out for it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need for this is this one that has, it's a 4x2, but it has the 3 holes in it. You're going to need that first. The second thing is, for this one, you're going to need the little gray one, not the longer one. It's about 3 of those. Looks about like that size. That's the second thing. Third one is you're going to need 1 of these. And then you're going to need 2 of these things. For the other thing, you're going to need 2 wings that are the They don't go the same way. They're both different, like this. And then 2 of the little 3 things. And I'll see y'all at the Okay guys, so what you're going to do first is you're going to take this piece, you're going to stick this right through it, like this. On the on the top, you're going to want to put this one on first. Put one of these things on. And then on the bottom, you're going to need to take this and you're going to need to use it as like a washer. Stick it on just where it has a little room to spin. Okay. And then stick on this one. Loosen it a little bit. I did mine with these two things. Like this. And then like this, and then I put the opposite wings on. But you can really do whatever. Make this slant to where y'all can actually see it. As you see, it does not go very long. Honestly, I'm gonna take these off. So there you have it, 2 Lego fidget spinners, and I will see y'all guys in the next one. Peace.